Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be filming swatches of the new Jeffree Star Extreme Frosts. My fiance got the bundle for me for Christmas, so thank you, honey, for this, because these retails for $50 a piece. So I just wanted to do some quick swatches and talk to the swatches, and yeah. So if you want to see swatches, just keep watching. The first shade we have is Lick My Glit, which makes me laugh. This is like a pink flip sort of shade. So this is with the ring light on. And I'm just gonna touch it there. Oh, do y'all see that? That is so... Whoa, that is insane. I don't think you guys can see just how blinding that is. That is insane. So this is what Sour Ice looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like a green flip sort of color. Let's just do one swipe. Ignore my stained fingers. Whoa. I barely touched that. This is the shade Dagny, which has a blue flip. It is so stunning. This is the shade that I've wanted ever since Jeffree started posting like sneak peeks of it. So on my one ring finger, we'll just do a 1, 2. Wow, that is really crazy. So now that you guys have seen the swatches, I want to talk about how this product performs swatched. Sorry, they keep moving around. This is an expensive product. This costs $50 US a piece. I did get the bundle, so I saved 25 bucks. These swatch beautifully. They're super pigmented. My only thing with stuff like this is that they never show good in photos, really. Like, it has to be like blurred so you can actually see how good the glitter is. This is a very glittery product, so if you don't like glitter, this is not for you. This is for the intense people out there who enjoy a really, 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 really intense highlighter. I'm so excited to try these on my face, which I'm going to be doing right away for a video for you guys. Overall, I do think swatch-wise, these are beautiful, and I think that they're a good, more luxury item. They do come with this, like, really fancy faux vegan leather box or something, and they're nice. I just think they're kind of like a waste of space, honestly, but these are more expensive products, so I get it. Jeffree Star Cosmetics is one of my favorite brands, so I was very happy when I could get all 3 of them. I'm excited to see him do more colors. Thank you guys so much for watching this swatch video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.